Okay, so now hopefully you have gone ahead and scheduled your meeting, and this is going to be sort of like the review page so that we can check our work and make any changes in case we need to alter any of the things that we set up. So as I said before, you can go ahead and send out a calendar Outlook invite if you want to, or a Yahoo calendar. I don't think you're going to be needing that, but in the future, if that becomes a helpful tool, that's what you can do right there. Simply click that button. It'll download some kind of a calendar file that then you can open up in Outlook and just go ahead and invite people through Outlook. There's a separate YouTube video I think you can look up if you want to use that, because I believe I'm going to show everyone how to do this in Canvas, but as I was saying before, that's just a little shortcut to that. But basically what you want to do is this is going to be the meeting ID. And so what I recommend is copying this information, highlight and hit copy. And then just for the sake of this webinar that I'm making, I'm going to show you right here. You want to just basically paste the information into an email or into a different Word document. And then we're going to go back to this page again and take the join URL, and we are going to highlight and copy that as well and paste that here. So now this is basically the only information that anyone is going to need to join this meeting. If people are going to be joining from a computer, they can simply click this link, and that is going to open up Zoom and take you right into the meeting. As you can see, the meeting ID is part of the URL. Otherwise, anyone can open up their Zoom app and simply go to join a meeting. Again, that's from the home page on the app, clicking join, and then simply dialing in the number that we have provided right here. So it's kind of just like dialing a phone number. It's going to either be a 9 or 10 digit number. So again, you can either enter in the information by manually dialing it, or you can click on the link and that should automatically launch your app to go ahead and bring you straight into the meeting as well. So if you want, go ahead and copy that information, and I'm going to show you where to paste that shortly. Another quick way you can see this as well is if you click on copy the invitation over here on the right side of the screen, that gives you all of this information that's part of the automatically generated invite. This gives you information so that in case you ever have anyone joining you from any other countries or continents, this gives you a variety of calling code numbers that you can possibly use if anyone ever needs it. There's different location IDs to call in through, and then again, what the information you will need is going to be the join URL and the meeting ID. So that can still be found here, but you do not want to click copy the meeting invitation, because that's going to copy all of this invitation. You basically just want to have the meeting ID and the join URL. So again, you can highlight this information and click Control C or Command C, or go up to Edit and just hit copy. And then what you can do from there is again open up a another page where you can copy and paste that invitation info. And this is going to be fine either way. This information again is basically the same, just as long as you get the join URL and the meeting ID. That is all you want to make sure that the students have. And then also the third place that this can be found too is, since I have scheduled this invitation, or since I've scheduled this meeting, again you can see the settings that you have here.